Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Trojan 912395 is a primary communication board used in the Trojan UV4000 UV disinfection system found in many water treatment facilities around the world. This board failed to communicate due to severe corrosion, and after a full and complete rebuild, we were able to test the board on ERD's in-house UV4000 system. At ERD, we have repaired every part of the UV4000 system, and as shown in the video, we final test all the parts on our in-house UV4000 system. Our in-house Trojan allows us to completely validate the repair for this system. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.